Okay, I have a question for you, Hedgehog.
Yes, Mickey?
Why? Why are you doing this one?
Oh, you will get the joke, Mickey.
Please tell me right now, or else.
Alright. Jesus Christ. First of all, welcome to another DVD Bitch Celebration class. We already passed the St. Patrick's Day special, and now let's do something funny. What means something funny? Hey, remember that Mickey Mouse trying to jack you off with the Simpsons in Universal Studios? Oh yeah, Universal Studios. And the fact that you added Sora in Smash Bros. Ultimate as their final DLC character. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. And Sonic, remember that Mufasa in Sonic Movie 3 was going along a long month ago? Yeah? Hey Sonic, let's have some fun, shall we? Yeah!
Plumber! Hedgehog! What is the meaning of this?
Oh, you will find out, Mickey. You will find out.
Wow, why is all the face going on? Yeah, what's happened?
Oh, Dora Boots. We're about to do something funny.
What kind of funny?
Yeah, what kind of funny?
Just sit down. Just sit down and relax. Just sit down and relax, you guys. Just sit down.
What happened?
Oh, Lucia. Take a seat, please.
Okay, what happened? What happened?
You will see, you will see. You will see, Lucia. You will see. You will see, Lucia. What happened, you guys?
What's going on, me buckos?
Oh, Finn and Krabs. Actually, Finn! We've never seen you for a very long time, and same goes for you, Mr. Krabs.
Yeah, I was doing my own business.
Hey, send some money. Well, give me some money. Of course you will do that. Of course you will do that, Mr. Krabs. Well, anyone else want to join this sufferment of Mickey? What? Nothing. Who's doing the next one? Oh, Will and Kermit. What are you guys doing here?
As for revenge for what they did, what he did to the Muppets, and they shut down the Muppets 3D thing on Disney World, I have to pick this one.
Okay, that's fair. What about you, Will?
Okay, recently, back in 2021 to 2023, I decided to give in because that mouse didn't add Witch to Disney Plus. Ain't that right, you bitch?
Shut up!
Whatever.
Okay, why don't you just sit down, Kermit and Will? Just sit down, you two. This is gonna be funny. Anyone else? We have two left to make Mickey suffer. Am I ready to suffer this? Is he ready to suffer this? Okay, go for it, Meanie. You know, Sonic. This one reminds me of. What does it remind you of, Meanie? It reminds me of Astro Wallace, Bulma, and our version of Vegeta having a dispute or something.
Don't mention that!
We will mention whatever we want, Vegeta.
You owe me for this.
So you know what? I'll stick around. Alright, go for it, Meanie.
Me! Don't trust that stupid hedgehog!
Well, what's gonna say, Mickey? I divorced you.
Shut up!
Damn, Mickey. You acting like Mike's Toontown. You acting like Mike's Toontown's Mickey. Jesus Christ. Mamma mia. That's what you get. Mamma mia. That's what you get for stealing the Simpsons in Universal Studios. Oh, let me guess, Mario. The Simpsons was in... Disney was owned... Well, Fox was owned by Disney. And it's now by... It's now Universal... not Universal. 20th Century Studios. 20th Century Studios. It should have been 20th Century Fox, but never mind. So who's to be the last one? I should be in it. Because that mouse deserves it. Stewie? We never seen you for a very long time, man. Yes, of course. You ever seen me for a very long time. After the fuck man did to me. What did Peter do? I don't really know. But let's get this over with. Actually, Stewie, I should join it. Actually, Stewie, I should join along with you. Oh, really, fat man? Yeah. After what the mouse did to me in that one video from How to Patch a Star in honor of Yuvi's birthday. Peter, that was a different you from this universe. Well, in Mike's Toontown's universe. Oh yeah, I forgot about it. So Mickey, why don't you just take this?
What is this?
It's a blind thingy. Put it on your face.
Okay. I put it in. Okay, I'm not gonna look at that. Doing those stupid files. Stupid notifications.
Blame it on the notifications, huh, Mickey?
Shut up!
I'm going to skip this because this is scary. Right there. What the hell is this? I should we turn on the music because Jesus Christ, we never heard of these, and we never will. Actually, that rhymes. You know, obviously, that really rhymes. Poor John. That stuff was old. That stuff was so old. I mean, could you be fair? Okay, we never seen this movie in years, so I'm just gonna ignore that. Well, not maybe years, but you know what? To be fair. I'm glad you understand, Meanie.
Can I take all these things off?
Oh, sure, you can take off now.
Okay. Wait, what is this?
It's by Universal, and Mickey, you're not gonna believe this. It's a Woodpecker DVD. What?
Ah! What the heck? What the actual shit? Oh, baby, it's simple. What? Oh my god! What the heck? Jesus Christ! So that's why you guys reacted to that one. You stupid bitches! We don't care. I don't care, Mickey. I don't care. Hey, Chuck! This isn't over, you bitch! You think so, huh? Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
This is why I waited for a witch to get on Disney Plus and you didn't, Mouse.
Look, stop having it! Look, stop having, and that's all that matters.
Stuff happened, you said. What about those paychecks of yours?
That's not yours!
Oh, really, Mickey? Oh, really, Mickey? My partner's, well, Ashley Wallace Camelia, whatever her name is. We never seen Witch for a few times, so we don't remember her names. Khalifa, Tarani, Irma, and Haywin are waiting for you to put Witch on Disney Plus, and you didn't, you piece of shit.
Where's that problem, you piece of shit?
Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, really? You think that? For this Wi-Fi, so awesome. Hold on.
Wait.
Alright, Mickey. Check again. Alright, Mickey. Check again.
What the fuck is this?
You'll see. Actually, now we did a review of that episode. Fun on your face.
You stupid bitch! I'm gonna come into your house and then steal all those! Oh, Jesus! Oh my God. Oh, dear Lord. Holy crap, he went nuts. Holy crap, he went nuts.
Episode from Woodpecker from 2018. DVD.
Hedgehog! End the recording right now, or else I'll get her ass. End the recording, or I'll get her, or I'll beat her ass.
You cannot beat up Natalie, Mickey.
I will if you don't end the recording.
We're just gonna end the recording right now. We're just gonna end the recording right now. Jesus Christ, Mickey.
Oh, Mamma Mia. You need to calm down, Mickey. Oh, you're so salty about the Universal Studios. Well, every Universal Studios that they have Seasons theme parks, you know. That went nuts. Now that's silly right there.
Yeah, Boots, that's silly right there.
It's not silly!
Now, if you're watching this, oh my God. Now, Wi-Fi's Mavis, if you're hearing this, Mickey's gonna kick your ass after this. Oh boy, Mickey, you cannot do that.
I will!
We'll be seeing you.